Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code DTC P1841 for the Honda Civic 2022 Plus specifically concerns the CVT, continuously variable transmission, speed sensors performance regarding reverse rotation. This error indicates that there is a discrepancy between the expected voltage levels from the CVT speed sensor signals and the actual driving conditions. When these signals do not align with expectations, the TCM, Transmission Control Module, interprets this mismatch as an anomaly and subsequently stores the DTC. Addressing P1841 is crucial for maintaining vehicle performance and ensuring smooth operation of the CVT, a transmission type that allows for seamless acceleration. It's important to note that the CVT contains no fixed gears. Rather, it uses pulleys to provide the necessary gear ratios, adapting to driving conditions seamlessly. In this presentation, we will delve deeper into the symptoms, causes, and detailed troubleshooting steps to appropriately resolve this issue with the CVT speed sensor. The P1841 error points to a fault in the CVT speed sensor and its relation to the TCM. The CVT speed sensor plays a critical role in monitoring the rotational speed of the secondary shaft, which is vital for optimal transmission performance, especially in reverse mode. This sensor's readings are communicated to the TCM, which uses this data to adjust internal settings for the transmission operation effectively. The CVT speed sensor is typically located on the transmission assembly under the vehicle, making it accessible for inspection. The TCM, located often in the engine bay or under the dashboard, acts as the computer brain of the transmission, interpreting inputs from various components. If the sensor's readings do not match the expected parameters for reverse gear operation, the TCM flags the issue by storing the DTC P1841. The causes of DTC P1841 can stem from several issues. A wiring issue could exist if there are damaged or corroded wiring connections leading to the CVT speed sensor, affecting the integrity of the data being sent to the TCM. Another potential cause could be a faulty CVT speed sensor itself. Wear and tear or internal failures could prevent accurate readings. If the TCM has failed or is malfunctioning, it may not process the signals correctly, leading to this DTC being triggered. Lastly, poor connections, whether due to dirt, moisture, or loose connectors, can also disrupt the flow of information between the components, causing the TCM to read incorrect data and set the DTC P1841. Each of these causes should be examined closely to ensure a comprehensive diagnosis. Various symptoms often accompany the P1841 DTC, signaling that the vehicle is experiencing issues with its transmission system. A common indicator is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, serving as a warning that something is not functioning correctly. Drivers may also encounter transmission performance issues, such as delayed engagement when shifting into reverse, difficulty maintaining reverse motion, or even unexpected shifts in direction. In some cases, the vehicle may exhibit erratic behavior while reversing, which can pose safety risks. Understanding these symptoms is essential for timely intervention, as ignoring them can lead to more severe transmission problems over time. Awareness of these symptoms can assist technicians in pinpointing the problem during diagnostics. The first troubleshooting step involves safely raising the vehicle on a lift. This is critical as it ensures that the vehicle is securely supported and allows all four wheels to rotate freely, which is necessary for accurate testing. It's important to engage the lift properly and ensure that the vehicle is stable to prevent any accidents during the inspection process. When the vehicle is elevated, technicians can freely access the undercarriage where the CVT speed sensor is located. Reliability in this initial setup enhances the effectiveness of subsequent diagnostic tests. Proper safety procedures during this step cannot be overstated, as they protect both the technician and the vehicle. Next, after safely securing the vehicle, the technician must start the engine to allow the system to enter an operational state. Disabling the VSA, Vehicle Stability Assist, is crucial during this step, as it can interfere with the readings and testing conditions necessary for accurate diagnosis. The VSA system is designed to improve vehicle stability by detecting and reducing skidding. However, for this specific test, it needs to be turned off to avoid any unnecessary adjustments that could skew the data from the speed sensor. With the VSA disabled, technicians can effectively run tests to assess the functionality of the CVT system without interference. This step sets the stage for further assessments of the CVT speed sensor and TCM. The third step involves running the vehicle in reverse mode, while ensuring it reaches a speed of over 19 miles per hour, 30 kilometers per hour, for at least 5 seconds. This is necessary to apply real-time conditions to the diagnostic assessment. During this phase, the technician needs to monitor the vehicle's performance as it reverses, allowing for observation of how the CVT manages reverse gear engagement under these conditions. Achieving the specified speed is essential, as it generates the required sensor feedback needed for an accurate diagnosis of the situation. Any anomalies, such as lag or irregularities in shifting, can be observed and recorded for further analysis. This practical application of testing is crucial in validating the system's operation in reverse. In this step, the technician must confirm the HDS, Honda Diagnostics System, reading for the direction of secondary shaft rotation. This diagnostic tool provides detailed data and readings from various vehicle components, including the CVT speed sensor. The expectation is that the value displayed will indicate reverse. If any other value is shown, it confirms that the failure is duplicated, signaling an issue with the system's operation. Analyzing the results from the HDS is fundamental, as it translates the sensor's performance into understandable data points that guide technicians in diagnosing the issue. If the sensor operates within normal parameters, then the focus would shift towards potential faults with the TCM. Conversely, an abnormal reading would indicate a problematic CVT speed sensor that requires further inspection or replacement. Final repair verification is a crucial step to ensure that the issue has been effectively resolved after any repairs or replacements are made. This involves rechecking the functionality of the CVT speed sensor to confirm that it is now providing accurate readings. After ensuring that the sensor operates correctly, the technician must assess the TCM's operational status, determining whether it is interpreting the sensor data appropriately. Once all components have been verified successfully, the next step involves clearing the DTC from the system and conducting a test drive. This test drive confirms that the vehicle operates normally without re-triggering the DTC, allowing for an effective verification of the repair. Successful confirmation assures the technician that the initial problem has been resolved and restores confidence in the vehicle's transmission performance. Preventive maintenance is crucial to mitigate future occurrences of DTC P1841. Regular inspections of the CVT speed sensor should be conducted to ensure its proper functionality and to replace it if signs of wear are evident. Monitoring the transmission performance regularly can help identify small issues before they develop into larger problems, enabling early intervention. Additionally, a thorough examination of wiring and connections should be part of routine maintenance to look for any signs of damage, corrosion, or looseness, which could lead to further sensor malfunctions. Addressing potential problems proactively can save time and costs while enhancing the overall reliability of the vehicle's transmission system. This proactive approach not only improves the longevity of the CVT, but also ensures optimal driving performance. In conclusion, understanding the significance of DTC P1841 is essential for maintaining the Honda Civic's optimal performance, particularly regarding its CVT system. Conducting thorough inspections of the CVT speed sensor and TCM ensures that any potential issues are identified and addressed promptly. The diagnosis must follow a systematic approach, from securely lifting the vehicle to monitoring the HDS readings during testing, as each step feeds into building a comprehensive understanding of the problem. Regular preventive maintenance practices, such as inspections and monitoring, play a pivotal role in preventing future occurrences of DTC P1841. Ultimately, being proactive in vehicle care will not only enhance driving enjoyment, but also contribute to the longevity and reliability of the Honda Civic. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.